OpenCart versus Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be comparing OpenCart and Shopify. In today's digital landscape, choosing the right platform for your online store is crucial for success. With each platform offering distinct features and advantages, we are going to guide you through a comprehensive comparison so you can make your own informed decision. Starting off, we need to understand what these two tools are. So first off, we have OpenCart. What is OpenCart and how can it help you in building your e-commerce store? OpenCart is an open source e-commerce solution that allows users to create and manage their own online store with a high degree of customization. It has been around since 2010 and it has gained popularity in developers and businesses looking for flexibility in their e-commerce operations. OpenCart provides you with a range of features, including multi-store support, user-friendly admin interfaces, and a range of features, including an administrative interface and a variety of themes and extensions. Well, what's the difference between OpenCart and Shopify then? Isn't Shopify an e-commerce store builder? Well, Shopify is a hosted e-commerce platform that simplifies the online selling process for entrepreneurs. It has been around since 2006. And Shopify has become one of the leading e-commerce solutions today. Because it's user-friendly, it has extensive app ecosystems, a robust customer support section, and Shopify primarily caters to small and mid-sized businesses looking to establish an online presence without technical hurdles. Because it is not an open source tool, this is a managed tool. It is a hosted e-commerce platform. Well, which is the winner in terms of individual categories? So there are a few different key categories that I'm going to be comparing. First off, we're going to have price, then we're going to be comparing the ease of use, and then we're going to be comparing customization and app ecosystems, scalability, and security. So starting off with pricing, OpenCart is a free to download and use tool. You can see you can click on start 7-day free trial and you can begin to use the particular software, but there are costs associated with hosting, domain registration, SSL certificates, and any additional extensions or themes that you may wish to purchase. While the initial investment can be low, there are going to be ongoing costs that can accumulate depending on your needs. So even though you might think that you're getting started for free, as you add more things into your store, you add more features, you add more applications, you're going to be paying for those individually. You can see they have a bronze, silver, and gold plan right now. Now, what about Shopify and Shopify's pricing? Well, if we go into Shopify, Shopify has multiple different plans, including Business, Shopify Advanced, and Plus. Now, Shopify has these pricing tiers, and depending on the features that you want, you're going to opt for that. However, each individual tier includes hosting, SSL security, and access to customer support. So it's very straightforward. There are no hidden fees, and transaction fees may apply if you choose a payment gateway other than Shopify payments. So Shopify is generally more cost-effective for beginners due to its all-inclusive pricing model, and I would say it's the winner in this category. Now let's compare ease of use. Although OpenCart has a easy-to-use administrative panel, it requires a lot of technical knowledge for installation and management, and users have to handle their own hosting setup and maintain tasks themselves, which can be very daunting for people that are unfamiliar with web development. Whereas Shopify shines because of how easy it is to get started with it. You can begin by clicking on Online Store and then proceeding with your customization. You are able to use their drag and drop interface that simplifies your design process, and you can set up your store very, very quickly when it comes to Shopify. So Shopify definitely takes the cake in that particular category. Now, what about customization? Well, OpenCart is highly customizable. You can say that some of the customizations on OpenCart are things that you couldn't even imagine when you're using Shopify. Because OpenCart is so customizable, although there might be a initial phase where you're gonna have to learn how to use everything, but you're going to be able to build a highly personalized store using OpenCart. While Shopify has some basic customizations and a little bit of flexibility, they are limited as compared to OpenCart. Users can customize their storefronts using liquid templating language, but you may encounter restrictions if you wish to implement advanced features. So if you are someone that can alter liquid code, you can exit and alter it by clicking on over here and clicking on edit code. And you can actually proceed with editing your store code. However, this can again be very technical and there are limits and restrictions on that. So OpenCart excels in customizations for those who need specific features within their e-commerce store. Well, what about the app ecosystem? Shopify has a robust app store with thousands of applications that can be easily integrated with a few clicks, whereas OpenCart does have a large marketplace filled with extensions that can enhance functionality, ranging from things like payment gateways to shipping solutions. However, many extensions are going to require manual installation and configuration, so they're not going to be as seamless to integrate as you would normally think that they are. So Shopify again takes the cake in this particular category. Now, what about scalability? Shopify supports scalability, but it might require upgrading to higher tier plans as your business grows. While it handles increased traffic very well, some users may find limitations in customizing advanced functionalities at higher volumes. Whereas if we compare this to OpenCart, OpenCart's modular architecture allows businesses to scale effectively as they grow. You can add new features or expand your product range without any significant limitations. So OpenCart is better suited for businesses that are anticipating significant growth. Now, going into our last category, we have payment gateways. OpenCart supports numerous gateways through extensions, but may require additional configuration for each individual gateway that you wish to use. This flexibility allows you to choose the best payment method solutions for your audience, but can be cumbersome during setup. However, when it comes to Shopify and Shopify payment systems, they are pretty easy to integrate. They have built-in integrations for multiple payment gateways, including Shopify Payments, which eliminates transactional fees, along with PayPal and Stripe, and all of the basic major payment gateway providers. So the setup process is straightforward and user-friendly. So in my opinion, Shopify is easier for integration with payment gateways. So when you're choosing between OpenCart and Shopify, it ultimately depends on what scale your business is at and what is something you want to prioritize. If you're looking for an easy-to-use platform, then Shopify is for you. However, if you're looking for extensive customization capabilities and you have the technical skills and resources to manage your store effectively, OpenCart is going to be more suitable. Both platforms have their own strengths and weaknesses. Choose Shopify if you are going to value simplicity, ease of use, stronger customer support, built-in security features, and a straightforward model. And opt for OpenCart if you need flexibility and are comfortable managing the technical aspect of your e-commerce site. Ultimately, this depends on your requirements, and I would suggest that you do carefully analyze these pros and cons. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.